Hey, welcome to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux, or welcome if you're new. In this channel, we focused on all things beauty related, makeup, nails, hair, hauls, everything else. So in this video, you will see me straightening my hair. I've already blow dried my hair. I will be putting that in probably a separate video. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just blow drying, straightening my hair, sorry. And I have had this flat iron probably, I think, since college. I got it off of eBay. It's a chi. Now I don't know if it's a real chi, but it has always worked for me. So I do the chasing method. So as you see, I just flat iron my hair a little bit, and then I'm going to take the comb, and then as you see, I'm going to straighten my hair and then chase with the comb. And from the videos I watched and my knowledge, like, this is called the chasing method. It makes your hair super silky, super straight. My ends do need to be trimmed, I know that, but I can't really trim my own ends without cutting too much hair off. And I think at this point I had trimmed my hair maybe about 4 or 5 weeks ago, so I try to trim it like every 6 to 8 weeks. Anything more than that, I feel like I'm just gonna end up cutting off all my hair. So I'm just going to be speeding through the rest of this portion, just flat ironing and chasing my hair. You could probably hear it in my voice. I am a little bit sick. I think I have the flu. But yeah, I still wanted to do this voiceover because I am in the process of finishing up a lot of these unedited videos that I had and videos that were already edited but just needed some voiceovers. Now, the reason why I hold my hair like that, if you could see, I like kind of grip it loosely. My hair gets so hot. And this has always been an issue with me. Ask my mama what she did not like doing my hair because I would always burn her. I have thin hair. As you can see, my hair is not really that dense. I have thin hair. I am losing my hair a little bit because I love a good ponytail. I love a good bun, and that's not good. I think it's called tension alopecia. So that's why my hair is thinning out a little bit on the side. Well, not a little bit. That's why my hair is thinned out on the sides. And if you see like older women, you'll probably notice that, like, oh, their hair is a little bit thinner on around the edges, and it's probably either because they got a lot of weaves, a lot of sew-ins. They love a good high tension ponytail, and it does eventually cause your hair to thin out in the front. I'm trying to do something about that, but I don't know what I can do. So right now I am just slowing this, well, not slowing it up, it's at regular speed, just so that you can get another look on how I do my hair, just so it's a little bit slower. So yeah, I come through with the flat iron once or twice, and then I come in with my comb. I comb that, and then as you see, I put my comb, and then I put my flat iron, and I just go through the whole entire head. Whenever I do the hair that's right next to my ears, I take my glasses off. It's easier for me to see in my glasses, obviously. So now I'm basically almost finished. I'm just going to be doing these last two parts at regular speed so that you can get some more examples of how I do it. Now, the most important thing to do is to use a heat protectant. The heat protectant that I used in this video was the Dry Bar Liquid Glass heat protectant. You put that on your hair when it's wet, so, well, not wet, on damp hair. So once you dry, wash, condition your hair right before you blow dry it, I'll spray that on. So now I'm just doing the last part a little bit sped up because you've seen it enough. And now this is the finished look. This is what my hair looks like. Like I said, I do know I need to get a trim. I know that. And once I get my tax return, I'll probably will try to find a black hairstylist in the area that I live in, which is Albany. The place I used to go closed because they raised the rent too much, and the owner was close to retirement anyway. So she closed the place. The girl that I had went to, while I love her and I love the thing, loved how she did my hair. I had a little bit of heat damage with her, and I don't want to keep dealing with the heat damage. One of the reasons why I like to do my hair at home is because there's less heat damage. I have not yet heat damaged my hair. Oh, look at those ends. I cannot wait to get my hair trimmed. So this is the well, I don't know what this is. Some little rubber silicone mat to keep my flat iron protected. Now I'm just going to do a little walkthrough. You know how like people be shaking their hair and they be showing the length and the movement? I don't know what I was listening to here. But yeah, this is how I straighten my hair, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.